Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to unpin a chat on WhatsApp. Whether you've pinned a conversation to keep it at the top of your chat list or you've decided it's no longer necessary, unpinning is quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Make sure you're signed in and on the main chat screen where all your conversations are displayed. Next, scroll through your chat list to locate the pinned chat you'd like to unpin. Pinned chats are always displayed at the very top of your list, marked with a small pin icon for easy identification. Once you've found the chat, long press on it. Simply hold your finger down on the chat until a menu of options appears at the top of your screen. Now look for the unpin icon at the top. It usually looks like a small thumbtack with a line through it. Tap on this icon, and just like that, the chat will be unpinned. It will return to its original position in your chat list based on the time of the last message. And there you have it. You've successfully unpinned a chat on WhatsApp. This feature is perfect for keeping your conversations organized and prioritizing what matters most. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.